So my wife happens to be a very big fan of spaghetti pasta made in marinara sauce. So I thought, let me give it a try. So yesterday I had made this marinara sauce, okay, and this pasta recipe in marinara sauce, and it happened to taste exactly the same that she eats in a restaurant. So I thought I will shoot a video of making this marinara sauce. Marinara sauce is nothing but a sauce made of tomato, okay. It's tangy with some herbs, with garlic, onion, and some basil leaves. It's very easy, it's very simple. Stick till the end while I show you the entire process of making spaghetti in marinara sauce. This is my version. My name is Stan, and let's get started. Now making a marinara sauce is really simple. Now in a pan, we'll take a generous amount of olive oil, around 2 tablespoons. Before the oil starts getting hot, I'll add in half onion. Now this is a medium size onion which I finely chopped, along with 3 garlic cloves. Now these are big size garlic cloves which I finely chopped. Now here we need to saute, or we need to fry the onion and garlic until it's translucent and soft. Now here you need to make sure that you don't turn them brown, you don't need to turn them nutty or crispy. The idea here is to simply turn the garlic and the onions soft. Now we'll let this onion fry for a while on low flame, making sure that we keep stirring them. Now on another flame I have boiled water. Now this is around 1.5 liters of water for the spaghetti pasta. And once the water starts boiling, I'll season the water with salt. Now this is around 2 teaspoons of salt. And then in this boiling water, I'll be adding in my pasta. Now here you need to make sure that your spaghetti pasta is well cooked. So read the instructions mentioned on the packet. So since this is a regular brand that I use, so I know this takes around 12 to 15 minutes. So while my marinara sauce is getting ready, this pasta also will be done. So here as you can see, the onions have turned slightly translucent. Now at this stage I'll be adding in oregano. So this is around a teaspoon of oregano that I'm adding in. And now we'll mix it together. And as I said, make sure that you don't turn the onions brown. So keep stirring it, keep mixing it constantly. Now one more thing, if you have noticed, I have not added any salt. So during the entire process of making the marinara sauce, I will not be adding any salt. I will adjust the salt at the end. And here goes in freshly crushed pepper. Now whenever you feel that your onions are cooked, or your onions are fried well, or it's translucent, or it's getting soft, that's when you need to add in the tomato. Now here I am going to make use of canned tomato paste. You can also use the regular tomato. You can take around 6 ripe tomato, blanch them well, mix it in a mixer grinder along with de-seeded Kashmiri chili. Around 2 Kashmiri chili would be fine. Just make sure that you de-seed them and just grind it in a mixer grinder and make it a smooth paste. Now the reason I like to use these tomato paste is because this is perfect to make the marinara sauce. It's hard to get a perfectly ripe tomato, and it's a lot of hard work to blanch the tomato first and then grind it in a mixer grinder. So rather I prefer using the tomato paste. Now after adding the tomato, you need to make sure that you cook this well for around 15 to 20 minutes. Keep adding water little by little, making sure that the tomato paste doesn't burn. Don't let it dry until it's well cooked. So this will take around 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes max. So just keep adding water and keep mixing it, and pay attention to the sauce. And after 15 to 20 minutes, your marinara sauce is ready. Just garnish it with fresh basil leaves. I'll just crush them and add it into the sauce. This will add a little freshness to the marinara sauce. Now you can adjust the spice. If you want it little spicy, you can add in chili flakes as well, or you can increase the pepper that you will be adding in. Now this sauce is a versatile sauce. You can preserve it in a bottle, you can keep it in the refrigerator, you can use it for a week. It's a perfect base for a spaghetti pasta, or you can also use it as a base for your pizza. So stay tuned, I'll be soon uploading a homemade pizza using this marinara sauce. And now let's plate our spaghetti pasta. Now you can use a bowl to mix the sauce with the pasta. At this stage, if you want, you can add some oregano, but I don't feel I require any oregano now as the sauce is perfectly done. Just mix it well and you can serve it in a plate. So that's about it, guys. Do let me know in the comments below how was this recipe and how was this video. Do try this marinara sauce at home, okay? If you are a fan of spaghetti pasta, I'm sure you will love this. If you've never tried spaghetti pasta and marinara sauce, do try this. I've also uploaded another video of spaghetti. Okay, you can find the link somewhere in the description, or I will leave it in the card. Please leave a comment below. Hit the like button if you've liked this recipe, if you've liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.